In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the password from your Shopify store so customers can access your website publicly. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. Inside the Online Store section, you may see a message asking you to pick a plan if your store is still on a free trial. Shopify requires an active paid plan before you can fully remove the password page. If your store already has a paid plan active, you'll see the Preferences option. Click on it. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Here you'll see the option Restrict access to visitors with the password. Simply uncheck this box. After that, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. That's it. Your Shopify store is now publicly accessible and customers can visit your website without entering a password. Before removing the password, make sure your product's payment settings, shipping rates, and store design are all ready for visitors. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.